guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khushbu and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. So in my today's video, I am going to show all the products that I have bought from Nykaa and it's going to be a haul video. First haul video on my channel and it has to be makeup. और अगर आप लोगों को कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन का आवाज़ पीछे आ रहा हो ना तो प्लीज़ बेयर विथ मी बिकॉज देयर इज़ नथिंग दैट आई कैन डू अबाउट इट. सो आई एम गोना शो ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स रैंडमली एंड जो प्राइजेस रहेंगे वो मैं यहाँ कहीं लिख दूँगी बिकॉज मुझे सारे प्राइजेस याद नहीं है. So yeah, let's just get started. So the first product that came in my hand is a hair mask from Mamaearth. It's their onion hair mask for hair fall. और मुझे थोड़े टाइम से बहुत ज़्यादा हेयर फॉल हो रहा है सो आई थॉट वाई नॉट ट्राई दिस आउट बिकॉज मैंने इसका टी ट्री और आर्गन ट्राई किया है एंड आई रियली लाइक देम एंड आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ फुल रिव्यू वीडियो ऑन दीज मास्क. So the second product that I have is again for hair. It's from L'Oreal. ये hair color है like for highlights. ये मैं बर्थडे के पहले करने वाली थी बट फिर मेरा माइंड चेंज हो गया, मैंने नहीं किया. थोड़े टाइम में मैं ये करूँगी और मैं इस पर भी वीडियो बनाऊँगी. The next product that I have are soaps from Doi. These are baby soaps and they are very cute. Quality wise they are okay. Like they are not very moisturizing. I prefer Dove over these soaps but they are so cute. Look at them. बस ये शेप्स की वजह से ही मैंने ऑर्डर किया था. The next product that I have is a shower gel from Scent Divance. ऐसे ही प्रोनाउंस करते हैं, I don't know how to pronounce. So it's in the flavor fresh lime and basil. It smells so nice and fresh. It's a huge bottle. The next one I have is again a shower gel from Body Shop. It's their Satsuma shower gel. और अगर आप लोग ने मेरी पहले वाली वीडियो देखी होगी तो आप लोगों को पता होगा how much I love Satsuma range from Body Shop. पूरा एकदम जैसे ऑरेंज की फ्रेगरेंस रहती है ना वैसे ही फ्रेगरेंस आती है. So I've got shower gel also, body lotion. Smells amazing. And ऑरेंज का ही मेरे पास एक और प्रोडक्ट है. It's a lip balm from Wadi Orange Lip Balm. It also smells like proper orange. So the next product that I have is the body lotion from Vaseline. It's their Ice Cool Hydration and it's very good. मतलब एकदम लाइट वेट है and also it smells nice. Also लगाने के बाद ठंडा फील होता है but not for a long time like for 5-10 minutes but it's very nice and lightweight और बहुत quickly absorb हो जाता है. So the next product that I have is a toner. It's from Dermafic ऐसे ही प्रोनाउंस करते हैं, मुझे पता भी नहीं है प्रोनाउंस कैसे करते हैं. I just got this product because मैंने ये श्रेया जैन की वीडियो में देखा था और anyway मेरा टोनर ख़त्म हो गया था so I thought why not try something new and I got this one and it's so pretty. इसके लिए मैंने ले लिया and I don't know how this is but I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna post a mini review on my Insta stories so don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. The next product that I have is a moisturizer from Pond's. It's their super light gel. एकदम light gel है, literally light gel and it absorbs so quickly. जैसे it reminds me of Neutrogena का Hydro Boost. So I cannot say कि ये अच्छा है या नहीं because I have only used twice. So before I pass any review, I need to try it for a longer period of time. So the next product that I have is a razor Gillette Venus Breeze and it's a refill. I usually use this razor like this blades only for shaving my legs. So मेरा इस पे ऑफर था तो मैंने ले लिया. So the next product that I have is a kajal from Plum. ये कुछ मैंने न्यू नहीं लिया है, मेरा ख़त्म हो गया था so मैंने लिया and it's a very good kajal and it stays for a long time और ये waterproof भी है. It's a very good kajal. I'll do give it a try. So the next product that I have are makeup brushes. So this first one is from Wet n Wild. It's their highlighting brush. It's so pretty. Look at this. And the another one I have is from Wet n Wild again. It's their precision setting brush in rose gold. So pretty. And the other two I have are one from ProArt and other one is from Pack. Eye brushes and I really needed them. So these are the brushes that I got. So the next product that I have is a hand cream from Bath and Body Works in the flavor Sparkling Lemon Silo. It's a like lemon and a shea butter flavored hand cream. So it's a good hand cream, like moisturizing. There's nothing wow about this product but it's nice and it smells nice. So the next I have are concealers from LA Girl Pro Conceal. So I got this color corrector shade for dark circles and this one for like normal concealer, but shade match nahi hua, so no use. I have to mix it with another concealer to match my skin tone. So these are the two that I have got. So the next one that I have is a liquid liner from LA Colors and it's in the rose gold shade and it's glittery. Wait, I'll show you, it's very pretty. You can use it as a liner or even you can use it, you know, as a eyeshadow. यहाँ पे sparkle थोड़ा glitter करने के लिए. So it's very good. So the next product that I have are lipsticks. मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही lipsticks ले ली है जो mask में दिखने भी नहीं वाली है. So the first one I have is from Faces and I got this lipstick in 2 shades. It's their Ultimate Pro lipstick. Wait, I'll show you. It's very pretty. It has very pretty packaging. See. So I got this in 2 shades. I'll show you the shades. One is Le Rouge 10. And the other one is Mi Amor 01. ये थोड़ा पिंक है and this one is थोड़ा सा red, but they look quite similar on camera, but सामने से these are 2 different shades. I don't like these lipsticks. सिर्फ इनकी पैकेजिंग अच्छी है. Other than that they are very bad. बहुत ज़्यादा smudge होते हैं. सिर्फ एक डैब में. So they are not good. Anyway, I don't recommend that. So the other one I have is from Maybelline Super Stay Ink in shade Delicate 225 and it's a very pretty shade. And with this one I got one lipstick free from the same range, this one, and it's in the shade Philosopher 100 जो मैं कभी लगाने भी नहीं वाली. Proper purple which I will never use. एंड ओनली अगर मैंने ये कभी यूज़ भी किया तो सिर्फ मैं आई शेडो की तरह यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. अदर देन दैट नो. ये लिप्स पे कौन लगाएगा? मैं तो नहीं. आई कैन नॉट कैरी सच कलर्स. So the other one I have is from Maybelline again. It's their Super Stay Ink Crayon and the best part is इसके साथ एक sharpener भी है इतना छोटू सा. So you can sharp the tip and you can use it as a lip liner and then fill it in. It's a very pretty shade too. See, like a nude, pink nude kind of a shade. थोड़ा coral, थोड़ा pink, थोड़ा nude. I cannot, you know, define this color. It's very pretty. So the next lipstick I have is from L'Oreal and it's their Color Rich Matte range in shade 232. It's a good and it's a pretty pink shade. Like proper थोड़ा baby pink, baby doll pink types है. It's a very pretty shade. So the last product for this video is a lipstick from Smashbox and it is in the shade Driver's Seat. और ये लिपस्टिक मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से लेनी थी एंड इट्स अ वेरी प्रिटी कोरल शेड. अगर आप लोग ने मालविका के वीडियोस देखी होगी तो आप लोगों को पता होगा व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. दिस वन, इट्स सो प्रिटी. आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विद दिस लिपस्टिक. एंड स्मैशबॉक्स की लिपस्टिक के साथ आई गॉट 2 प्राइमर्स फ्री. सो दिस वन इज़ फोटो फिनिश प्राइमराइजर एंड द अदर वन इज़ ऑयल शाइन कंट्रोल. ये मिनीज मुझे स्मैशबॉक्स की लिपस्टिक के साथ फ्री मिले. सो दिस वॉज इट फॉर माई टुडेज वीडियो. थोड़ी ज़्यादा ही शॉपिंग कर ली मैंने, बट ठीक है. सो आई होप यू एंजॉयड वॉचिंग इट एंड इफ यू डिड देन प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, कॉमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड आई सी यू सून. बाय.